Well, here's one of my favorite colors, Jetstream Blue. This is a beautiful 2009 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Coupe with just 20,000 miles. Well, it has 20,005 miles on it. Beautiful car, low miles, just like new. All of our Corvettes are hand-picked. As we said, beautiful Jetstream Blue on the exterior, titanium gray on the interior, and it has that glass top, just beautiful. Under the hood, you'll find 435 horsepower LS3 engine. This car has a 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the $4,555 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always tell you this includes heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, Bluetooth package, universal garage door transmitter, has a wonderful Bose CD-XM MP3 stereo with in-dash CD changer, and has steering wheel controls as well. Also has a front input. The polished Gumby wheels look great, as do the two-tone seats with embroidery. The Jetstream Blue tint coat upcharge is on this car, along with OnStar, dual-zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, fog lamps, keyless entry and start. Has the electric rear hatch pull down as well. Of course, everything is power on this car, and best of all, it comes with a clean Carfax, loaded with options, and we said it shows just 20,005 miles. It's in very nice condition overall. The paint has a great shine, and of course that protective film has kept it looking nice. So, low miles, beautiful car, great deal. If you'd like to know more about this car, give one of our sales representatives a call here at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. You can contact us at 770-414-5552. Be sure to check out our website. Click the little notification, the little link right down below this video, and you can go and see all of the pricing and other beautiful detailed pictures on this car. Then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button. You'll be the first to see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia, and we want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Hope to see you real soon.